we ended creating template in the previous lesson, now we have it complete and we can use it. You see, everything is great. I'm going to show you everything, but as you can see, everything looks perfectly and elegant and is may look, but we have some lags that we can solve them. But I say that everything is looking really smooth and good. Okay, we create everything, but now what we do next? After you creating that, you need to present it somewhere. What you need to do for presenting that somewhere? You need to take some notes, as I said. You need to take some notes and write them down in each slide. We have 18, 19 slides, but when we count again, we understand we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 slides. We need to manage our time in this 13 slide and use the best way possible our resources. Okay, we up till now learn how to create this thing. Now we are going to learn how to present this. At first, before the teacher or the company presenters or the professor come in, you run your project 15 minutes before the teacher or the professor come in. You run your presentation and make it to look this slide on the projector. Why? Because this is so professional and also give a hint about what you are trying to present. And the ones that come in sooner or before the start of presentation, they also have a month a little about what you are going to present. And then after that, you are going to present everything in the management that we have here. And don't forget, if you forget something to tell in your presentation, for example, you forget to what to tell in your presentation, one of your sentences, you forget it, or one of the dates, it's better to not say that, to say it wrong. Because the person was listening to you didn't know that you have what you had to say. He only come to listen what you are saying. Whenever you don't say anything, nothing is going to happen. And remember, never read from your slides. It's the worst thing you can do in your presentation. We have many other hints that I'm going to tell you about the presentation, but it's good for now. The next lesson we are going to talk about time management. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you need anything and like and subscribe. Have a nice time.